Welcome to an overview of the Asset Registry and Forecast tool. This tool is a simple but powerful Excel resource for communities starting their asset management journey. You can use the tool to track what assets you own, their value, condition, and when they may need replacement. This data can be organized to generate information to support better planning and decision-making. It's built for users with basic Excel skills and assumes you have some experience working with asset data. The intro and instructions sheet provides an overview of the tool and how to use it. We encourage you to read this sheet before using. The version control sheet lets users know what version of the tool they are using and if any additional updates have been made. The next four worksheets, Fleet, Roads, Facilities, and Pipes, allow you to enter asset-level data. That data is compiled into a central asset registry, which feeds into two reports, the state of infrastructure and replacement forecast. Each of these sheets provides a dashboard for users to filter data in a pivot table so that it can be visually presented in charts. The State of Infrastructure report summarizes asset current replacement value and condition. The replacement forecast estimates future replacement cost and timing. The reference sheet contains the lists that power the drop-down menus throughout the tool. These pre-populated options help facilitate and standardize data entry in each worksheet, so you can quickly select consistent values from the drop-down cells. To get started, begin filling in your raw asset data in the appropriate worksheet. The dark red cells are the essential data required. This data is needed in order to generate the reports. The light red cells are optional, and the white cells will auto-calculate based on provided data. Much of this info may already exist, so it's a good idea to check with asset owners, engineers, finance, or insurance who may have this information. As you update data, refresh the worksheet, or use the keyboard shortcut Control, Alt, F5 to instantly update your registry and reports. You can fully customize the tool as it's unrestricted or unlocked, so make changes at your own risk. We recommend saving a file version to a shared drive, restrict editing access for your team, and backing it up regularly.